In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App identity verification failed. First, if the verification screen disappeared, retry the same Cash App feature that originally asked you to verify. Cash App can trigger identity verification when you try to access features that require a verified account, so there may not always be a separate verification button in settings. When the verification screen does appear, though, make sure your legal name, date of birth, address, and social security information are entered correctly and match your official documents. If Cash App asks for an ID, retake the photo in good lighting with the entire ID visible and no glare. Complete any selfie verification it requests as well. Next, make sure you update Cash App. On an iPhone, you can do this by going to the App Store and searching for Cash App and checking for any updates there. But on Android, you'll want to open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, choose Manage Apps and Device, and install the update. If verification still fails, go back to your Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right, and then scroll down and select Support. Go ahead and open a support chat and ask Cash App to review the failed verification. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.